Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best electric air duster. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Reusable and eco-friendly. The Jikore's electric air duster is designed with sustainability in mind. Unlike traditional compressed air cans, this duster is rechargeable and can be used repeatedly. This not only saves money but also reduces waste, making it a greener alternative for your cleaning needs. Powerful cleaning performance. Equipped with a high-efficiency motor, the Jikore's delivers a strong burst of airflow capable of dislodging dust and debris from even the tightest corners. It's ideal for cleaning delicate electronics like keyboards, computers, cameras, and more. Versatile cleaning tool. The versatility of this air duster makes it stand out. Whether you're cleaning office equipment, car interiors, or other household items, the Jikore's is up to the task. It's truly a one-size-fits-all solution for a variety of cleaning needs. Compact and easy to use. With its lightweight and ergonomic design, the Jikore's electric air duster is easy to handle and maneuver. Its compact size makes it portable and convenient to store, so you can carry it wherever you need a quick cleanup. Pros. Environmentally friendly. Eliminates the need for disposable compressed air cans, reducing environmental impact. Cost-effective. Rechargeable and reusable, saving you money in the long run. High performance. Powerful airflow ensures effective cleaning for a variety of devices. Lightweight and portable. Easy to carry and use in different locations. Versatility. Works on a wide range of items, from electronics to car interiors. Cons. Battery life. Depending on usage, the battery may require frequent recharging for extended cleaning sessions. Noise level. The powerful motor can be slightly noisy, which may be a drawback for some users. Final thoughts. So, is the Jikore's electric air duster worth it? Absolutely. This device combines eco-friendliness, power, and versatility in one compact package. It's a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a sustainable and effective way to keep their electronics and other items clean. While the battery life and noise level might not be perfect, the benefits far outweigh these minor drawbacks. Plus, the cost savings and reduced environmental impact make it a worthwhile investment. If you're interested in purchasing the Jikore's electric air duster, check out the price link in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Product for more reviews and updates on the latest gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.